Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio, water sign. This is February monthly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you in February. Okay, one card, Queen of Cups. So what are the messages for Scorpio? What are the messages for Scorpio? Queen of Cups, Nine of Cups, the Fool. What's going? Four of Wands, Judgment with Five of Cups. So, under the deck, Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, I think your money is very good, Scorpio. You are concentrating on your abundance. You are concentrating on your financial status, whatever. You are working hard towards your goals and you will achieving like this. For some, you already achieved this. See, you stand by your power and you are no more dependent on anyone. Yeah, you will be in February like this and you will be very abundant. For some, you already very abundant. Okay. Let's see your reading. Recent past, Queen of Cups, Nine of Cups, the Fool. Yeah, everything is okay. Everything was fine. You have strong emotions for your person and your wishes are already granted. And you started your life in unique way. Maybe you are living in the present moment. You are doing self-love. You are not thinking about past very much. That type of energy I'm getting in recent past. Everything was pretty good. What I'm getting here. So what's going right now? Four of Wands, Judgment and Five of Cups. Maybe you are thinking about something a lot and you are feeling sad for that. Maybe it is not about separation for something. For some it could be a separation, for not all. For some it could be a family issue, whatever maybe. But you are feeling sad. For some it could be a separation also. And Four of Wands, you both could be twin flame, 11 and 11 energy, 11 and 11. And yeah, you want this celebration, this happiness with your person, but Judgment, you are going to make some major decisions in February and you are feeling sad for something. And future energies, Seven of Wands, the Hangman and the Star. Yeah, you are very concentrated on your career. You won't give up on anything easily. And Hangman, you are stuck on something. You want to make decision on something but you are getting stuck. And the Star, but things are turning out in your favor. You are seeing hope in your life. Maybe something hopeful is coming in your life. Some positive shifts are coming in your life, Scorpio. But for some there is separation, but I am not seeing it is complete separation. For some it could be no contact. For some it is not about separation, but you are suffering about something, maybe your career, whatever. So let's see, there is some pain or you are going through. So, but you will overcome that pain and you will be like this. Okay, don't worry. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Aquarius also. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on. If there is really a separation or no contact situation. Lot of cards. I am not taking. So Scorpio, your person current feelings. Two cards. I'm not taking. Scorpio, your person current feelings. Yeah, there is separation for some. Yeah, Judgment. By maybe there is mutual separation. You both decided to. For some, only not for all, but Judgment, your person also want to take some decision regarding this relationship. They may be spying on you on social media, Princess of Swords and Three of Swords. They are missing you so much. You both are on the same page, Scorpio. You both are missing each other a lot. You both are suffering in silence. What I'm getting here. See, your person undergoing some tower moment. This separation causes. Yeah, they want to work on this relationship. Their near future actions. 8 of Pentacles. Yeah, separation. Ace of Wands and 4 of Wands. Again, you both could be twin flames, 11 and 11. Yeah, definitely they really want to work on this relationship. Walking away. Maybe if they walked away from this connection, now they're feeling regret. They want new beginnings again. And Ace of Wands, and they want celebration with you. They want this happiness with you, Scorpio. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Yeah, they really want to work on this relationship. Maybe they're juggling also. One time they want to work on this relationship. One time they decided to move on. But again they want to work on this relationship. There is a lot of passion involved in this connection. Yeah. But they want new beginnings. Another deck, Wheel of Fortune. Yeah. Maybe they are waiting for the right time. See? 5 of Pentacles with Queen of Pentacles. They're suffering in silence. And they want to share their life with you. Queen of Pentacles. Now they're realizing you both. They want to share everything with you. And 5 of Wands. There is a lot of drama is going between you and your person now. Yeah, they're suffering in silence. They're missing you so much. What's from your side? But you decided to move on. Yeah. You want to cut this person off from your life. Truth coming out and cutting anyone that doesn't serve you anymore because you deserve best. Yeah. That's why you stand by your power. You concentrating on your career. You may be stuck on your person. Yeah, they're suffering in silence. You also missing them, but you decided to move on. You want to end this pain. You want to end this connection because the death with 6 of Swords. You decided to move on, and they are suffering in silence. They're ready to offer this their love with you, but I think there is no progress in this connection. This is not going anywhere. What I'm seeing here, even though they're coming back to fix the things, but you already accepted the truth that it is over between both of you. But they really miss you. They really want to work on this relationship. But it's up to you what to do, what not to do, Scorpio. You know your situation well. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your overall energy and Scorpio also for the month. Your card and your reading. Your overall energy for the month. Yeah. 10 of Swords, Page of Wands, 5 of Pentacles, 6 of Cups. Yeah, they're coming back for reconciliation, but they did not treat you well in past. Some communication is coming, some message, and you are in this pain. For some, very few, you want reconciliation, still want rebirth, but most of you decided to move on from this person. So let's see your person overall energy for the month. Scorpio. Leo, your person could be, they're getting their strength back to come towards you. Let's see your person overall energy for the month. Yeah, they want reconciliation, they want celebration in this connection. Maybe it could be third party situation also. They really love you so much. Now they're realizing you both, they have so much love for you. Yeah, they have strong emotions for you. They want reconciliation. Yeah, see, they have so much love for you, Scorpio. So if you are not trusting them, I think if there is no third party, you have to give one chance to your person. If there is no third party, if your person is not a player, then only. If he is a player, if he is putting you in third party situation, then this decision is very good. Okay, but they have love for you. They have so many emotions for you. They want reconciliation, but it's totally up to you. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Scorpio. Hold your vision. So if you want to achieve anything in your life but you are not seeing any result, this is the message from universe. Hold your vision. It is coming. Okay. Yeah, it is coming. So this is the reading for you, Scorpio. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.